So the identity management again is nothing but a solution to manage users and various department of an organizations, right, and various resources of an organization and various entitlements of an organization, right. So it's just a collection of processes and some set of rules and policies to manage users role, organization, resources and entitlements, right. Not only it manages but it also regulates the access rights to the resources and entitlement, that who should use what on what conditions, right. For example, a DBA should only be allowed to use the database server, right, or maybe some sort of HR manager should only be allowed to access, right, to the HR resources. Okay, so it regulates the access rights of its resources, right. Again, some more importance for the identity management, it provides security for its resources and entitlement by controlling access to those resources. It not only control access to this these resources by providing the security, but also it audit, monitor, and cap the information in the form of log, right. So which is also important, not only just giving an unauthorized, controlling an unauthorized access, but also giving some sort of auditing, right, to govern certain governance and rules. For example, in US, right, there are certain compliances which need to be followed by the organization, right. So those compliances can be enforced on various organizations by auditing them, right. So that also comes under the security. So not only just controlling the access, but also providing the auditing and then continuous monitoring, that who accessed a particular resource, when he accessed a particular resource, why he accessed the particular resource, and what information he has accessed, right, and to log that information into the different things. But not only this auditing monitoring, but also it creates identity management, also ensure that a correspondence between different resources, right. So it should have a framework which provides the communication between different resources whenever there is a change or whenever there is information needed by one resource to another resource, right. These are the benefit, you can say in the language of IT, it should be complete in nature, it's a complete end-to-end security, right. So identity management provides an end-to-end security life cycle of user role and organization. Okay, it should be integration with another systems in the organization. So your identity management should ensure the integration between different resources or different systems or different products, right, IT products used in the organization. Its policies should be pluggable, or you can say your identity management should provide or ensure the pluggability of various policies. For example, today my organization governs a 3-month password change policy, and tomorrow it might govern 6-month change policy. So you can just plug it and then whenever needed. It should be the best of the breed, that means it provides the best technological practices running in the industry, right, same time. So these are the some benefit it includes in terms of an IT. These are the values of identity management it provides. Should be cost saving. Cost saving, of course, it prevented losses and fraud. So ultimately it provides this concept, enforcement of this concept provides a lot of prevention from the losses and fraud, right? Especially in banks, right? So if you do not have, especially in bank or where very critical information is available and which can cause a big loss to that organization, right? and also it provides a kind of structure and automation of these processes and policies which govern security, right, in such a way that it reduce the help desk, right. So there's a self-user management, so you can create your own information, you can change your own information, so all the user can do all this information. Let's see.